Hi guys, I woke up this morning and made some coffee and discovered I'm out of coffee creamer. So that's not a good thing for me. I love creamer. So if you don't have any creamer at home, or you don't want to go to the store and buy any, or coffee creamer may be really expensive, I'm going to show you all how to make just some coffee creamer for yourself at home. And it is actually a lot cheaper than buying the huge container at the grocery store. I use International Delight French vanilla, and so I'm just going to make something similar here. We're going to start off with some half and half, and half and half is actually way cheaper than coffee creamer. So a lot of people will have half and half on hand. They cook with it or they put it in their coffee. So I'm just going to use some of that, and I've got my saucepan on medium-high heat. And then to this I'm going to add half a cup of white granulated sugar, and we're going to let that heat up. And like I said, I think that this half and half that I have here is like $2 and something at our club, shopping club here stateside. And then to this I'm going to add some Toriani flavoring, vanilla syrup, and that's about 2 teaspoons. I may add some more depending, but I'll just taste it along the way. And then I'm going to add some heavy cream just to give it a little bit more thickness. I like my creamer to be just a little thick, so I'm not going to add a lot of heavy cream, okay? That's probably like 1/8 cup. All right, so this has been going for about 3 minutes, and I've tasted it off camera, and it tastes excellent. I'm going to add just a little bit more heavy whipping cream. So this will be about a total of 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. Meaning together, like I poured some in earlier and it said that was 1/8 cup. Now I'm going to add another 1/8 cup for a total of 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. All right, and then that's it. And the thing that I like about flavored creamer too is that I can pour it into the bottom of my coffee mug and then pour my coffee on top, and I don't have to stir it or anything. It evenly distributes in my coffee, and I don't have to use any extra sugar either because the creamer is sweet enough in itself. So it's just some creamer and then my coffee. Okay, so if you all ever run into an issue not having your favorite creamer, you can just make some at home, or you can just start making yours at home, period, by buying your hazelnut syrup, if you use hazelnut, or vanilla or what have you, some half and half, and some granulated sugar. That's all you're going to need. All right, guys, so I've got my creamer added to my coffee cup. I'm going to go ahead and add some coffee to it. All right, there we go. It looks just like the cream. It looks like my coffee would look any other time with the store-bought creamer. And it tastes more like it tastes the same as well. And then also I kind of have a little feeling of accomplishment that I'm able to make my own creamer at home. So I invite you all to try making your own coffee creamer at home as well. I'll see y'all next time.